Hello and welcome to my video tutorial about Bootstrap. I would like to start with the installation of Bootstrap. So, how we install the Bootstrap? There are two main ways to install this toolkit. First way, and the one I prefer and I recommend to anyone, is this to get started. But you have another way to install Bootstrap, and that is download. I will explain into another section how to download it, but first I want to show how to install the Bootstrap and how to work correctly with it. So, we press get started. I didn't mention the link is to the Bootstrap page is in the description. Okay, so this is my favorite way to work with Bootstrap, because if you want to be always in touch with the new updates and the latest versions of Bootstrap, you will have to download. If you prefer the download method, you will have to download Bootstrap and every single time they release a bug fix or another component or anything, you will have just to download it again, and this is this is not good for you. This is a lot lost of time. This, if you are installing Bootstrap like this, you will be always in touch with the latest updates and the latest versions of Bootstrap. So, how you are installing Bootstrap like this is very simple. Let's create here a file which I will name index.php, and here I will create another folder which I will name include. Okay, so in this folder I will create another two files. Let's say header.php and footer.php, not with that text, sorry. Okay, so in the folder, in the file named header.php, we will copy and paste this link. Why I'm doing this? Why I'm not just copy and paste into the main folder or into the main file? The answer is very simple. This project will have 3 or 4 files, maybe 5, maybe. But if you are working with a team or you will work with a team and you will have, let's say, 20 or 14 pages, and you will want to use a common header for all your pages, you will have to copy and paste the header, the main part of the common header, to every single page you are using. Okay, and maybe first this not looks inconveniable for you, but if you want to modify this common header, you'll have to modify the header for every 14 pages, and this will be a lot of work, and you not have to work harder for to modify a simple thing. Okay, you can just modify into this file to add or delete or just modify this common header or some elements for every single page you are using. How you are doing this? Simple. You go to the index.php file. Let's open the HTML tags, and here in the header open PHP tags and just type require include /php. Okay, just type this and you will can modify the header of this file and every single file you are working with. Okay, let's show you how it works. Let's say title. This is not a good example, but it is only for academic purpose. Sorry, include. I think I typed include. Sorry, yeah, that PHP. Okay, here we go. Not require include. And okay, here we go. This is the title, and you can modify title for every single page, but this is not a good example. You will never do this. Okay. So, but this is only for the power of the example. Include. Okay. And to use the footer, we'll do similarly for the reason I've already explained. Paste this here. Open PHP tag here. PHP. Close and require slash .php. Okay, so here we go. We installed Bootstrap. So, in the next section, I will explain the main elements of Bootstrap and the most important one, the grind system and the container, and how they are working. Okay? So, see you next time.